Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a bandana 2-in-1 head scarf and neck scarf tutorial. I used to make these all the time in high school, and so I decided to make a tutorial on it. So starting off, I'm just going to use a fabric effect quarter because that's the easiest way that I can make them. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to fold it at the crease on both sides, and then I'm going to take an iron and press it down. Once that is done, I'm just going to cut out the pieces that I've folded and pressed down. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin those two pieces together just so that I can make it longer, and then I'm going to stitch it down. And you can use a straight stitch, a zigzag stitch, whatever you want to use. I believe I used a zigzag stitch, and right now I'm just pinning the fabric in place. So as you can see, I did fold down the top part of the headband, and then I did press it down with an iron, but you will also see me folding the bottom part of the headband, and then I'm actually going to kind of match it up with the part that I've already folded and pressed down, and I'm just going to pin that in place all the way down. So that is the process that you see me doing right now, and I'm just going to do that all the way down until I'm completely finished, and I'm just going to pin it in place with some sewing pins. It's a little confusing for me to explain it, so I'm just gonna let you all kind of just watch and see how it's done, but that's like the best way that I can explain it so far. So this is what it is looking like as I pinned it all the way down. Another easy way to avoid this step is just to fold your fabric in half and sew it, and then flip it inside out. But then now I'm just going to do a straight stitch all the way down. So now I'm just going to cut diagonally on both ends of the headband. So that is what they are looking like, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it down, and I'm just going to stitch it in place, and we should be completely done. So this is what the entire headband is looking like. You can make it as short as you want, as long as you want, and this is the complete and final look. So you are just going to see me put it on, and I'm just going to show you all how I tie it as a headband, and then you will see me tie it as a neck scarf as well. So yeah, that is how I made this 2-in-1 bandana. But I know it's also a trend with the neck scarves too, so I thought that was a really good idea to incorporate that as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.